Jim here. Today we're going to visit the Hilton Sandestin. Come with me for a tour. Today we're going to check out one of the finest hotels in all of Destin. That's right, the Sandestin Hilton. You're looking at it straight ahead. 2 beautiful swimming pools, a barefoot beach bar, and some amazing beaches. Let's explore. Hey, now let's look at the fabulous pool area they have here at the Hilton. There's 2 main pools, a couple of hot tubs, and a fun beachside bar. Very interesting geometric shapes. And what about the beaches? Gorgeous day in Destin. And look at the elegant gold beach umbrellas here. There's a lot of fun things, slides, jet skis, kayaking. Lots of waterfront amenities. And one of the best hotel beaches in the Destin Fort Walton area is definitely the Hilton. Look at the amazing gold umbrellas. Makes you think of the University of Michigan. Hey, look at that fun waterfront playground. And most of the rooms have great looking waterfront views of the Gulf. Look at all those balconies. That's the tower section there. And let's pan across to see what the rooms are looking at. Hey, that's the Gulf of Mexico. Look at that water here. Everyone's enjoying the surf here at the Hilton in Sandestin. It has an amazing strip of beach. Wide, white sand. Look at all those yellow and blue umbrellas. Hey, someone must have went to the University of Michigan. How about those Wolverines? Anyway, look at the water, the playground. Let's do a wide view. Things are happening here at the Hilton. The Hilton also has a modern tower. And let's do a wide view of the pool here at the Hilton. Sweeping across. And now, look at the new tower section. And there are 2 different pool areas here on the deck here, separated by a fun beach bar. Let's go barefoot. Hey, get your feet wet at this fun little beach bar here at the Hilton. Enjoy the pool here. I see a lot of families and people reading books. Just gorgeous. Hey, let's check into the Hilton here. We're passing the main lobby. Now let's walk towards the spa tower. And look at this coffee shop. Smells like great aroma. And there's nice hallways here. They take good care of this place. And here's the entrance to the spa. Let's have a facial and check out the fitness center too. Hey, let's take a look at the golf course. Hey, and if you love golfing, check out the courses here in Sandestin. They're some of the best in Florida, maybe even the United States. And there's a fun indoor pool too. Sometimes it gets a little cold in the winter here in Destin. And usually there's a breakfast. We can get lunch here at the Hilton Trail. And there's lots of meeting space and rooms for conventions, banquets, and social occasions. Hey, I hope you enjoyed visiting the Hilton with us. If you liked it, hey, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would hit subscribe, like, or comment. Have a great day.